discuss with you the 10 things that I hate about India. Let's do it. People who have some power, i.e. people with uniforms, whether that be people like immigration officers at the airport, policemen, security guards, whoever it is, it seems, once you put a man in a uniform in India, they seem to become very proud and want to treat you like you're a piece of dirt, basically. You know, they don't know how to act professionally. Now, not all people, of course, I'm exaggerating. But the only ever time I have some problems in India with people is when they have a uniform on. And for some reason, as soon as they get a uniform, they feel like they can talk to you like you're nothing, you know? Policemen shout at you if they don't want you to film somewhere. Instead of saying, excuse me, no filming, they start screaming at you. Hey, bhai sahab, hey, no filming, hey. And you're like, whoa, what the hell, dude? Just ask me nicely. So, yeah, people in uniforms here seem to love the power and seem to like to use that